Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Bloop versus Bloopzilla in this epic battle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with Bloopzilla versus Bloop. Let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with Bloopzilla, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down, and then we're going to bring this back. Next, let's go ahead and make a little curve shape like this. Then let's go ahead and put a couple little lines underneath it. Then let's bring a couple little lines back here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps right above the eye. Then over here, I'm going to make a couple more little bumps. Let's bring this line down. Then we're going to bring this across to here and down. We'll make two little dots for the nose. Then we're going to curve this line around. Next, let's go ahead and kind of add some sharp pointed teeth in here. And then we'll do that same thing right here at the bottom. We'll put some sharp pointed teeth. We'll make a curvy line for the tongue. And then we'll curve this line up. We'll put some more teeth here. Make a couple little lines here, and then we're just going to kind of curve this up. Next, up here, I'm going to make some little lines. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to bring some lines down. Then we're going to kind of curve this line up, and then we're going to put a couple more little curves here. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and I'm going to curve this around with like a point. We'll make another point here, and then one more here, and we'll bring it up. Make some curvy lines and bring it to here. Then I'm going to make some little kind of like points on here like this for the spikes. Make another one right here. Make a little line underneath it. See, we're just kind of putting about 4 points on each one. Next, I'm going to kind of connect this, and I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line around. Next, we'll do a couple more little points here. I'm just going to do 3 of them. You can see they're kind of going up to kind of follow the shape of the tail. Then we'll just make like another line here, and we'll bring this out. We'll make a line that's going to come up here, and we'll make it kind of jagged for the back of the tail. We'll go down and then bring this up. Leave a little space in here too. Now I'm going to make that other little flipper out here, so I'm just going to kind of make a line that's going to come down and up, and then one more here. We'll kind of draw a line across. Now, starting here, let's make Bloop right here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve around for the eye. Then I'll make a little circle shape in here. I'm going to make a little bump here for above the eye. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and I'm going to kind of bring it in. We'll bring a little line that's just going to come down here. Then I'm going to curve this line around, and we're going to bring it up right to about here. Let's go ahead and fill in this mouth with a bunch of sharp teeth here. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing down here. Just put a bunch of sharp teeth in there. I'm going to bring this line down and kind of curve it up to here. We'll go ahead and put 2 little dots up here for the nose. I want to make another curve here. Then I'm going to put a curve right up here. For his flipper, I'm just going to kind of make a line that's going to kind of curve up and then around here. And then I'm going to make that other flipper kind of curve around here. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of curve up. And we're going to bring this line down. We'll make a few kind of big curved lines like this to kind of make it look like he's kind of twisting and moving. Then I'm going to curve this line around. We're going to bring this line up with a few more little bumps. Then I'm going to curve this line back and this line back. Let's go ahead and make a long line that's going to come out like this. And then we'll make another long line like this for the tail. We'll kind of bring this line up and a couple more little lines up. And we'll kind of make a few little extra lines on there. Now we got the basic shape down. Let's kind of add some of the different fun details. So let's start with our Bloopzilla. I'm going to kind of bring some of these lines across here. I'm going to make some little kind of broken lines around the mouth. Make a row of kind of like pointed spikes here. A couple little lines there. Make a few more little lines kind of right around the eye and the jaw. And then we're just going to make some of these lines come right around here. I'm going to make a little kind of jagged little line up here with a few more little lines, kind of show where the top and bottom are going to be separated. We'll add a couple little lines around here and a few little detail lines right on the claws. A couple here too. Make a little line here. And a couple little lines right around the tail here. Now on Bloop, let's kind of make some little lines right around the flippers here. Make a few little extra lines. We'll make some little lines right around the mouth. And a couple little lines around the eye. I like to do these broken lines right around the mouth here, just to kind of give it some texture. Make a few curved lines on here, and a few lines right around the tail and everything. And maybe another line or two by the head. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla, Bloop, or Bloopzilla I should say, versus Bloop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.